Hello. So one of the problem which I have, which I am trying, this is the long-handled cleaning brush. That is to clean the surface of the. So you have something you can clean. The problem is it is not moving. You see, I can sew the clothes like this. I don't find it is moving. I don't know what happened. So there are two options. Either I go to the market and buy a new one, and second option is that I use my mind to fix the problem. So I selected to use my own mind to fix the problem. This I am going to do. Let's see what is the problem. I have to switch on the light so we can see properly the problem. The problem, okay, this is not moving, this won't have, and this is also has some problem. Okay, I have to clean these, all the things I have to clean first. Okay, first we fix the problem, then we'll clean. So one thing is this tube, this rubber washer, I can say it should be located properly, I think. Yeah, because the pressure is coming, means this can moving, but this is not supporting. Okay, so that I have to do. So the TV cleaning I did already. Okay, so whenever I move this is going out. You see, this is going outside. So what you have to do, I have to put something here so that it can stay inside, and I think I can put this yeah, I can put this, then it will stay inside. So let's go to put it. No, I don't need to put this, I just have to press it. So like this, and this side I press like this, this side I put my leg, and this side this. Okay, so I think now it is okay. I hope so. I hope that it is working. Yeah, it's working now. I can see. You can see. It's working now. good. So these are the small tricks which we have to use before purchasing a new instrument. So now it is working. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.